This car cost over $4 million when it was new. After nearly 15 years on the road, the V12 now feels more like an 8-cylinder. The interior is badly worn, aged, and filled with unpleasant smells. This time, while rebuilding the engine, we'll also upgrade the soundproofing and completely deodorize the cabin. No more talk, let's get straight to work. After completely stripping out the interior, we set everything aside and give the car some time to cool off and reflect. Next up is preparing the V12 engine and carefully pulling the big unit out to begin the main phase of the rebuild. Transferred to the disassembly workshop. Start disassembling the engine. After disconnecting the micro key, the gearbox is disengaged. The engine disassembly began. After disassembly, the ingredients were cleaned. Everything is cleaned. Assembly begins with one person. One person, one machine, and they operated the V12 engine in sequence. During engine preparation, interior soundproofing is also carried out simultaneously, starting with removing adhesive and asphalt. After everything is completely cleaned, the next step is to apply soundproofing material. Once the soundproofing material is installed, we will refit the interior and finish the full car build. But before that, the engine bay needs a proper deep clean. Engine installation completed. Next, we will begin the cleaning and maintenance of the entire vehicle. After cleaning, apply a genuine leather coating for maintenance. Black stone-shaped appearance. Come on, one-click start. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.